Hi guys, I'm your friend Rohit Kakkad. In this video, we'll talk about different ways of taking input in Python. So I'm using Python 3, and for this demo, I'm using Jupyter Notebook within Anaconda Navigator. If you want, you can also use Google Colab for doing this, for doing the practice of this topic. Okay, so I'm using the function input where you can say that please enter your name, and then you can print this, or whatever input you are taking you can do further operation on that. Okay, so let me give you a demo. Your name is A, comma A. So this is the syntax. Please enter your name, Rohit. Your name is Rohit. Now by default, input assumes that what you're entering is string. Whether you enter 1 here, 2 here, or 5 here, or 2.3, it will assume that it's string, and it will and even a number, even a boolean, it is considered as string. Okay, so let me show you a demo for that. Please enter your name 5. Your name is 5. But let's say if I want to do some calculation. Okay, let's say area. Area is A into A. Okay, without mentioning the data type of the input, if I just run this, let's see what happens. Please enter your name. Then it won't be able to multiply because it is considering it as string. However, if I give this float, please enter side of square. Okay, side of square. Now I'm specifically mentioning that the input that you're going to receive is a float number. You can choose to provide integer as well in this area. Float input, please enter. Okay, a is equal to float input. Sorry, one bracket is missing now. 5. Okay, so area is 25.0. Like this, you can do int. Okay, then it will not take 5.2. It will only take 4. Let's say if you do float, it will take all values. 5.6, it will take with decimal also. Okay, now one important way of doing taking input in Python is eval function. Okay, let me show you eval. Now in eval you can take multiple inputs at a time. With the above that we have just seen with input function or float input or int input, you can only take one value at a time, but with eval you can take multiple values as an input. Okay, let me show you. Irrespective of data type, one good thing about eval is based on the thing that you input, it assumes a data type corresponding to that. If you enter a word, it will assume data type as string. If you enter number without decimal, it will consider as int. If you enter number with decimal, it will assume it as float. Okay, so let me give you a demo quickly. Input, please enter, please enter three numbers. Then we will do some calculation using that. Okay, I'm giving. Now you have to enter separated by comma 1 4 5. Okay, now let's print sum of numbers. Okay, a plus b plus c. Yeah, 1 plus 4 plus 5. Now let me give you one more demo. Let's say you take eval. Okay, input, please enter a number. Okay, then you enter 5. Okay, let's print type of A. It's an integer. Let's repeat this again. 5.2. Let's print this float. Okay, so eval is a great way to take the input. Otherwise, you have usual input function which assumes everything is string. You can use float function, int function before input to take the input accordingly. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Thank you all the very best, and please do give it a thumbs up as well.